Synapse. It's a site of contiguity. Charles Sherrington in 1897 proposed synapse as a specialized apposition between cells that mediates the signal. As defined earlier, a synapse is an anatomically specialized junction between two neurons at which electrical activity in a presynaptic neuron influences the electrical activity of a postsynaptic neuron. According to recent estimates, there are more than 100 trillions of synapses in central nervous system, which includes brain and the spinal cord. On average, each neuron forms about 2000 synapses. Now let's talk about different types of synapse. So according to anatomical classifications, synapses are the junction where axon or some other portion of one cells terminate on dendrites, that is exodendritic, terminate on soma, that is exosomatic, or terminate on axon of other cells, and that is exoaxonal. So this exodendritic synapse is one of the most common type of synapse, while dendrodendritic, which is not shown in the diagram, it's quite rare type of synapse. Now let's talk another is that is functional classification. It can be electrical or it can be chemical. So chemical synapse is one of the most common type of synapse in the central nervous system, while electrical synapse is present in olfactory bulb and retina. Olfactory bulbs means it is involved in the uh, uh, transduction of the uh, sensation of the smell, and in the retina means it's involved in the visual sensation. Chemical synapse, the transmission of impulse from presynaptic to postsynaptic site is with the liberation of the chemical mediators, and this transmit the signal in only one direction, that is from presynaptic to postsynaptic neuron. There is a presence of the synaptic cleft, and which is approximately 20 to 40 nanometers, so that there is also the such type of synapse also show the synaptic delay, and these synapses are sensitive to hypoxia. While other way, the electrical synapse, the transmission of impulse from presynaptic to postsynaptic sites is mainly through the resistant bridges, low resistant bridges known as the gap junctions. And this this type of synapse, it can transmit signals in either direction, from presynaptic neuron to the postsynaptic neuron, or from the postsynaptic neuron to presynaptic neuron. Now there is no synaptic delay, and this such type of electrical synapse is insensitive to hypoxia. Now the final another way in which we can classify synapse is according to the number of the neurons. It can be 1 to 1, which is followed by parasympathetic nervous systems. It can be many to one, also known as convergence, in which one cell is influenced by many other cells or neuron. Or it can be one to many, in which one cell influences many other neurons. For example, the ventral horn of the spinal cord receive the convergent signals from corticospinal tract, reticulospinal tract, and rubrospinal tract. These all are the descending fibers. Plus, this also can be influenced by the sensory afferent fibers. So, such kind of convergence occurs in the ventral horn cells. While in the divergence, the single impulses is converted to a number of impulses going to a number of postsynaptic neurons, and in this there's a magnification and amplification of an impulse.